Rats can contaminate your food, chew through wires, and turn your home into a nightmare. But what if a few simple household ingredients could create a bait that rats simply can't resist? Watch closely, because in just a few minutes, you'll see exactly how it's made. Let's get started. First, grab a small bowl. This is where we'll mix all of our ingredients together. Take any laundry detergent you have available. The brand doesn't matter. Any regular powdered laundry detergent will work for this mixture. I'm using about 1½ teaspoons, but you can adjust the amount depending on how much bait you want to prepare. Why detergent? It contains strong cleaning compounds with a noticeable scent, which is why some DIY bait recipes include it as one of the ingredients. Next, add some sugar. I'm using powdered sugar, but regular sugar works just as well. You can also use another sweet ingredient with a strong smell that helps attract rats toward the bait. Now mix both ingredients thoroughly. For the third ingredient, I'm adding a small amount of toothpaste. This helps bind the mixture together into a smoother paste that's easier to spread onto the bait. Mix everything well until the texture becomes smooth and evenly combined. Now choose your bait. I'm using half of a potato, but bread, tomatoes, or any food that rats are commonly attracted to can also work. Spread the mixture evenly over the surface of the potato. Make sure it's well coated. Place the prepared bait anywhere you've noticed frequent rat activity, such as behind cabinets, inside storage areas, or near places where rats usually search for food. Now all that's left to do is wait. A few hours later, we came back to check what happened. As you can see, the bait attracted rats to the area. This is what we observed during our test.